pretty. I'm obsessed with the packaging. Can we get Cinnamoroll on the first go? Let's try it. Who did we get? Oh my god! It's Cinnamoroll! Oh my god! Actually? Oh, jokes. It's Kiki. It's Kiki. I am an embarrassment. Wow, look at this dome. Kawaii. Oh, there he is. Cute. Okay, let's try again. So Kiki is here. We got Kiki. Let's try for Cinnamoroll again. Oh, Karumi! Oh, you can move the time as well. Oh, look at her dome. It's a flowers. Oh, the quality. So good. POPMART. Look at the skull behind. So cute. Go learn my lesson. You gotta put it through from there. Yay, that was so much easier. Kuromi chill time. Let's try for Cinna again. Come on. Cinna. Pudding! Oh my god, look at the pudding, guys. Look at Pom Pom Pudding. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my god, that is so cute. Cute and minimal. Yeah. Kawaii. What you looking at? Okay, I'm gonna try a different area. Imagine if I didn't get Cinna, but I got a secret. Oh, Ruby! Ah! I like the green. Oh, so cute. Oh, lily pad. POPMART. Ooh, shoe white, like a ghost. Oh, so cute. Get out. Pochaco. Look at the paw prints. See, Pochaco. Cute. Every time I see Pochaco, it reminds me of Kira. Ooh, lucky clothes. Oh, Pochaco has a little dot. Oh, he got a little freckle. His tail looks like an egg. Pochaco got a mole. Okay, who do we have left? So we've got Kuromi, Pom Pom Pudding, Pochaco, Garopi, Kiki. We only have 3 boxes left. It's either Lala, My Melody, or Cinna. Oh, secret. I think I just saw who it is. Let's pretend we didn't see that. But it's either. No! Who do we have? My Melody or Lala? It is Lala. Oh, look at Lala. The twin stars are together. Oh, look at the stars. Damn, I really haven't got Cinnamoroll yet. Crazy. Oh, she looks a bit dirty. She's clean now. Let's lock her up. It's either My Melody, Sinner, or Secret. Which it's My Melody. Wow. Am I really gonna get Sinner last? Look at the flowers. My Melody. Look at the roses. Just got a little rose here. Yeah. Lock her in. My Melody. Okay, guys. This is either Sinner or Secret. Like, usually it'd be easy to get Sinner. Where is he? I think it's Sinner. Cinnamon! Haha. Yes. There he is. Oh. There you are. So cute. The clown.